Boy, you got me in my feelings. You a street nigga, but I never cared about an image.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to another makeup tutorial of mine. Like, what's good? What's poppin'? So, sorry. I'm so excited because I did a full like matte eyeshadow look. I only use matte colors. And yeah, this is the outcome. I am in love with the outcome. This outcome is so like, I don't know, it's so like, for those girls who don't really like to wear colors on their eyes, this look is so nice. It's a simple look. It took me some time to do it, although I only use like matte colors, but to work only with matte colors, it's a little bit difficult. I didn't know that because I like never worked only with matte colors. I always have some mattes and some glitter ones or some sparkle ones. So that's why it was a little bit hard for me, but I did it and the outcome is so nice. Like, look at this, it's so nice. I always wanted to do like a brown inspired, yeah, it's some browns. The color here, the cut crease color, is not really brown. It's a beige. It's a beige, I think. So it counts. And yeah, that's the eye makeup. I am so in love. I love it. I love it. Wow, I love it. And also the lip color. The lip color, it's not really like brownish. It's more like brown reddish, I think. It's reddish, brownish, a dark wine color, I think. But still, it goes with the makeup. And yeah, without further ado, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And also don't forget to leave a like. I know that you like my makeup tutorials. And yeah, without further ado, let's do this. Let's start this makeup look. See you in my next one. Peace. Hey everyone, here we go again. I already did my eyebrows. Now I'm taking my tape so that the cut will be really nice, my eyeliner and everything, and the colors. And yeah, first things first, my base. This one is from Makeup Revolution C0. It's a white base, as you can see, and I used it so the colors will pop. Now I'm using the Warrior by Juvias Place palette, and I'm using this brownish color. It's a light brown, and I'm blending it above my crease. This will be my transitioning color, so I'm just blending it above my crease. Now I'm gonna go into the Warrior 2 palette by Juvias Place, and I'm taking this darker brownish color, and first I'm gonna work it into the outer V of my eye, as you can see, and then I use another brush to drag it inside my eye like this, and I'm creating a longer V on the one side. Yeah. Now I'm taking my concealer again to create a cut crease like this. It's really simple. If you created so many cut creases, it will get so simple for you. So this is what I'm doing right now. And I'm taking again the Warrior 2 palette by Juvias Place, and I'm taking this gray color. I thought I used a white one, but on the camera I think the camera doesn't really show the real color. You could see it was gray, but on my eyes it looks like white or beige or something, I don't know. So I went back into the brown color so I can create a better outcome on the outside, so it's not like sharp or anything. You see that? And I'm just blending the colors together, the gray one and the dark brown color. And then I went back into the first color. I don't know why, but it was a good idea. I went back and then I created like a better flow, you know. I just mixed the colors, and I don't know, it looked so nice. That's why I was so happy that I went back. Now I'm using my eyeliner. This eyeliner is from Essence, my favorite eyeliner of all times. Ah, the best eyeliner ever. I love this eyeliner. I bought it over the last 10 years or something. Now I'm using my mascara. This one is from WeMakeup, and this is also the best mascara I ever used. For those with no lashes, please use this one, then you have one. Now I'm gonna put on some lashes like this. Yes girl, some lashes, yeah. Now I'm using this L.O.V Kajal, and I'm lining my bottom waterline with it. I don't always do this step, but here I did it and it was a good idea to do it. So next thing, I'm taking off those tape, I'm taking off the tape, then you will see the sharp line. You see that? I like it. So Skin Manager, this is my moisturizer. It's a good one, but I don't really think I would recommend it to people with dry skin. It's not really that moisturizing, so no, don't use it when you have dry skin. You need another one that's more moisturizing than this one. And then I use this Glow Iridescent from Primark, and it's really nice. It doesn't really do anything big or something, but it's nice. I like it. I like to use it. It's a primer, but I don't use it on each, not alone, you know. I don't use it alone, sorry. That's why I went back into this Contour and Shine Prime by Sleek. It's a silicone based primer. Yeah, with this one I primed my whole face. Sometimes I just use it on the T-zone, but sometimes I just use it on my whole face. Like, why not? On the whole face, the primer like this. Now I went into this Becca foundation. I don't know even which one it is. I bought it from TK Maxx one day, and yeah, it has a like a glow. It has some sparkle or glow in it, and I didn't like it when I used it, but when I saw the video now, I really liked it. I don't know why. Like, yeah. Now I'm using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I don't know the color. You will find the color down somewhere. Promise, this time I will put the products down. I always forgot to do that. I'm so sorry guys, I'm so sorry. I've always forgot that. So I'm blending in the concealer with my sponge. It's a dab sponge. It's not dry. Please don't use a dry sponge, but you know that. You know the game, so I don't need to explain anything. I know you know. We both know you know. So anyways, so to contour my face, I'm using this foundation. It's by Loreal, but it was too dark. As you can see, it's really a dark one. I bought the wrong color, so that's why I decided to use it as my contour color. And I'm contouring my face with it, and you see how dark it is. It's really dark, and I like that. I really like that. I like that. I like using this one as my contour concealer thing, or I don't know. Yeah, I'm blending it in like this. Now I'm using my BH Cosmetics setting powder, and I'm setting the highlighted places, all the places I highlighted. I'm setting this, and I'm always leaving it like this, but I do all the other steps so quickly, so it's not really, I wouldn't say I'm baking, but yeah, anyways. So I'm using this blush to set my dark contour. Yeah, it's a blush, and I'm always using this blush. I got this tip from a YouTuber, so that's why I'm using it. I liked it. I tried it and I loved it. Since then I'm using it like this, and I'm contouring my nose a little bit with this, and then I went back into the setting powder and I'm creating the V shape. I'm always doing this step because my face then looks like boom va boom. I know I have a V shaped face, but with this step, whoa, what's poppin'. So now I'm gonna dust off the excess makeup, or the excess powder, sorry, the excess powder. dusting it all off like this. And I like this step because I'm melting everything together right now. I'm using my foundation brush for this step. Now I went back into my mascara for my bottom lashes. Simple, best mascara ever. And yeah, I don't know why I didn't speed up this one, but yeah, you can see how I'm doing. Oh, I'm putting on my mascara like this, a simple step. Now I'm using this blush by MAC in the color Fever. As you can see, I like this blush. It's okay. It's okay. You see that? It's okay. You can use it. Reddish, pinkish color for your cheeks. Now I'm using the Artist Couture X Jackie Aina highlighter in the color La Bronze. And you know the game. Like, I'm in love with Artist Couture. My biggest dream is to work with them. Oh my god, I love their highlighter. I love the highlighter. Like, yeah. Now I'm using this Ever liquid lipstick. It's also by We Cosmetics in the color 30. As you can see, 30. Yeah, it's a brownish, reddish color. Yeah, I would say, yeah, brownish, reddish. It's a mix of browns, but somehow also red, dark red, wine. I don't know, you see that, you see it. It matches this thing on my head. Yeah, it matches my head thing. Now I'm using the Slay All Day Jared Cosmetics setting spray, best setting spray ever. I like it. And I think that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next one. Bye bye.